In the first question, it is given two cube, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. This is a cube and it is another cube. These two cubes are joined end to end. They are joined end to end. Length of first cube is L, second cube is L. Since the volume of the cube is given 64, the volume is L cube equal to 64, which is 4 cube. Therefore, L equal to 4 centimeter. Now, when these two cubes are placed joined end to end, they forms a cuboid. Length of cuboid this 4 plus this 4, that is 4 plus 4, 8. Width and height will not change. So B is 4 and H is 4. Surface area of cuboid 2 LB plus BH plus HL. 2 L into B, 8 into 4, 32. B into H, 4 into 4, 16. H into L, 8 into 4, 32. 2, this is 64, 80. 160 centimeter square is the surface area of resulting cuboid. Here it is given a vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. Diameter of the vessel is 14. Diameter is 14, so radius is 7 centimeter. Total height of the vessel is 13. Out of this, 7 is the height of the hemisphere and the remaining 13 minus 7, height of cylinder. Height of cylinder 13 minus 7 equal to 6 centimeter. Surface area of vessel we have to find out, which is CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. It is a hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder means these parts are not there. So we have to take only CSA of cylinder and CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r common. H plus r. 2 pi is 22.7. R is 7. H is 6 and R is 7. 44 into 13. 572 centimeter square is the surface area of the vessel. Here it is given a toy is in the form of a cone of a radius 3.5 and mounted on a hemisphere of the same radius. Total height is 15.5. We have to find out surface area of this vessel. Radius is given 3.5. Height of cone. Height of cone means from here to here. H equal to this 15.5 minus 3.5, which will be equal to 12. Now we have to find out L. L is root of r square plus h square. R square means 3.5 is 7 upon 2. So 7 upon 2 square, 49 upon 4. H is 12. 12 square is 144. 4 LCM 49 plus 576. 625 upon 4, which is equal to 25 upon 2. This is L. Now, surface area of toy. CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. When we observe this toy, we are able to see this curved surface of the cone as well as curved surface of the hemisphere. So we are using CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cone is pi RL. Hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Pi and r common, L plus 2r. Pi is 22.7. R is 7 upon 2. L is 25 upon 2 plus 2 into 7 upon 2. 2 cancel, 11, 7 cancel, 11 into 25 upon 2, 2 cancel, 25 upon 2 is 12.5, 12.5 plus 7, 19.5, 55, 5, 9, 104, 10, 21. 214.5 centimeter square is the surface area of this toy. Here it is given a cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. This is a cube and it is surmounted by the hemisphere. We have to find out the surface area of this solid. Largest diameter of hemisphere. Since the side is of 7 centimeters, so largest diameter will be equal to 7 centimeter. The radius is equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter. Surface area of solid. Surface area of this cube. Surface area of this cube is 6L square. Now this hemisphere is placed on the cube. Suppose this is the upper face of the cube and this hemisphere is placed on it. So we are able to see this hemisphere also. It is additional. So CSA of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. Now when we place this hemisphere on the surface of the cube, this circle inside the hemisphere, this circle is not visible. So we have to remove this circle, minus area of circle. So it is 6L square, 2 pi r square minus 1 pi r square, that is pi r square. Now L is 7 into 7. Pi is 22.7. R is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 to 7 cancel, 2 cancel. 49, 49 into 6. 294 plus 11 7 ja 77. 77 upon 2. 38.5. 332.5 centimeter square is the surface area of the solid. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with 2 hemispheres stuck to each ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14. Diameter is 5. Diameter is 5, so radius will be equal to 5 upon 2 mm. Now length of cylinder. Length of cylinder means we have to remove this 5 upon 2 from this side, 5 upon 2 from this side. Means overall we have to remove 5 from this. 14 minus 5, that is 9 mm. This is the length of the cylinder. Now we have to find out surface area of capsule. which is equal to CAC of cylinder plus CAC of two hemispheres. CAC of cylinder is 2 pi RH. 2 times CAC of hemisphere is 2 pi R square. 2 pi R common, H plus 2R. 2 pi is 22.7, R is 5 upon 2, H is 9 plus 2 into 5 upon 2. 2 to 2 cancel. 2 to 2 cancel. 110 upon 7 into 14. 7 to the 14. 220 mm square is the surface area of this capsule. Now in the next it is given a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1, height is 2.1, diameter is 4, so radius is 2. Slant height of the cylinder cone is given 2.8. We have to find out area of the canvas used. Area of canvas used. CAC of cylinder plus CAC of cone. 2 pi RH plus pi RL. Pi and R common, 2H plus L. Pi, here pi is 22.7. R is given 2. 2 into H. H is 2.1. L is 2.8. 44 upon 7 into 4.2 plus 2.8, that is 7. So 44 meter square is the surface area. Cost of canvas. Cost is rate into area. Rate is 500. Area is 44. 22,000 rupees is the cost of canvas. Now in this one it is given from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter, diameter 1.4, means radius is 0.7. A conical cavity of the same height is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the resulting solid to the nearest centimeter square. Height of this cone is same as that of the cylinder, so 2.4 is the height. We need to find out L. L is root of R square plus H square. We have to find out L of this. Root of R square. R square is 0.7, means 7 upon 10 whole square. H is 2.4, means 24 upon 10 whole square. 49 upon 100 plus 576 upon 100, 625 upon 100, which is 25 upon 10, 2.5. So 2.5 centimeter is the L for this. Now we have to find out surface area of solid. CAC of cylinder plus this. Initially we have a solid cylinder. Now this conical cavity is hollowed out. This cone is hollowed out. We are able to see this surface additionally. Initially this surface was not visible. When this cone is taken out, we are able to see this surface. So we have to add it. CAC of cone, 2 pi R, 2 pi R common, 2 pi is 22.7, R is 5 upon 2, H is 9 plus 2 into 5 upon 2. 2 to 2 cancel. 2 to 2 cancel. 110 upon 7 into 4.2. 4.2 plus 2.8, that is 7. So 44 meter square is the surface area of this capsule. And since it is hollowed out, this portion is removed. This portion is still there. So area of circle. It was a solid cylinder. Both these portions are there. Out of those, when this cone is hollowed out, this portion is removed. This is still remaining there. So we have added this also. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Cone is pi RL. Circle is pi R square. Pi R common. 2H plus L plus R. Pi 22.7. R 0.7 means 7 upon 10. 2 into 4.8. 2 into 2.4. That is 4.8 plus L. L is 2.5. R is 0.7. 7 to 7 cancel. 22 upon 10 into 4.8 plus 2.5. 7.3 into this 8. 176 upon 10, that is 17.6 centimeter square. But we have to write the answer in nearest centimeter square. The nearest centimeter square means we have to round off it. When it is rounded off, it is 18 centimeter square. Here it is given, from this solid cylinder, a wooden article was made by scooping out hemisphere from each end of the solid cylinder. Height is 10, radius is 3.5. We have to find out the total surface area of the article. TSA of article. This portion is scoped out. This is also scoped out. Initially, we were having this CSA. CSA of cylinder. Plus, when this portion is hollowed out, yes, scoped out, we are able to observe this surface additionally and this surface additionally. So we can write 2 times CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Hemisphere is 2 pi R square. 2 pi R common. H plus 2R. 2 pi is 22.7. R is 3.5. H is 10. 2 into 3.5. Remove this decimal. 7 5 ja 35. 5 2 ja 10. 2 to 2 cancel. 22. This is 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7 is 17. 374 centimeter square is the surface area of this article.